Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome to my kitchen. This was the day that the media were coming to film. So it's 10 to 9 and I've got like about an hour to clean this entire mess and I'm like, somebody help me. So I just thought that I'd pull the footage that I had compacted down to about 30 seconds in the media behind the scenes video, and I'd put it together because I know that some of you really love the cleaning motivation videos. So enjoy and then I'll see you at the end. I can't believe I even cleaned the stove. I don't know what I was thinking on a mission just to be cleaning everything. But I mean, it's not like the camera crew were going to be filming that. But I thought, oh, while I'm here, let's just clean it. So you can see the times 20 to 11. I actually didn't start in here till about 9:05 and I finished at about 10:20. So I sat down for a bit just to work out what was going on. But yeah, I was exhausted. I hope you've enjoyed this little mini motivation cleaning video today. I've loved sharing with you guys and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.